Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Vitiated how to will not be responsible because you decided to be a cheap ass and not hire a professional.
On with the show.
So we're making the mem by Spirit, or the Spirit mem. So here's what you do. You go to the website. This is one photo. There'll be superimposed another photo, but we'll start with this one since it's the template. You go down to text. You go add default text. And you touch it. And you put what I'm gonna put this. And then you add everything else to it, okay, whatever the description is going to be. Okay, so you got that, then you touch that, then you move it over here. Touch it back to that, you go up to image, oh no, wrong one. Go back to that, go to upload, then you find your photo, go to this, back to that. Then as you can see how it's superimposed on it, then you just adjust it where you want it. So there's the kind of idea I want there. So then, since that's being touched, then you go up here. Then I can hit erase. It's a pain in the ass. Nothing cool is ever easy. Nothing easy is ever cool. Okay, go to done. Not quite exactly the way it should be, but you get the point of it for the video. Then when you're done, if you're done with everything else, go up to export. Export as JPEG. And then it's in your folders. Or actually, that, and then I think, pretty sure you save it. Yep, add to photos, you add the photos, and then you're done. Simple as that.